Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for supporting. Today on the screen you may find one International Math Olympiad question. Based on number theory, find the smallest natural number n such that n ends in the digit 6. Moving the last digit 6 to the front results in a number that is 4 times of n, or that is the original number. So let the number be, let the original number be n, then n equals to 10 times of k plus 6, because n digit is 6, where k is the number formed by the digits of n excluding the last digit 6. When 6 is, that means the last digit, the front, new number. The new number becomes 6 times 10 power m plus k, where m is number of digits in k. Now, according to the problems, when 6 is moved to the front, the new number found is 4 times the original number. So, new number is 4 times the original number. So, 6 multiplies 10 power m plus k equals to 4 times of n, that equals to 4 times of 10 times of k plus 6. Now, simplifying it, 6 into 10 to the power m plus k equals to 40k plus 24, or 6 into 10 to the power m equals to 39k plus 24. This will be 6 into 10 to the power k m equals to 3, 13k plus 8. 2 multiplies 10 to the power m equals to 13k plus 8. So from this, 13 times of k plus 8 equals to 2 into 10 to the power m, or 13k equals to 2 into 10 to the power m minus 8, or k equals to 2 into 10 to the power m minus 8 over 30. Now we have assumed that k is an integer. So for k to be an integer, two into 10 power m minus 8 must be divisible by 13. Means 2 into 10 to the power m minus 8 must be congruent to 0 modulo 13. Or from number theory you know that, or this is same as your 2 into 10 to the power m is congruent to 8 modulo 13. Or 10 power m should be congruent to 4 modulo 13. Or modulo 13. Should we will find the m such that it will be 4 modulo 13. So let's go one by one. First I am taking m is equal to 1. And 10 equals to, here same as we know that it is 10 modulo 13. If m equals to 2, that will be 100. That will be congruent to 9 modulo 13. Equals to 3, then it would be 1000 divided by 13. The remainder is your 12. So it will be 12 modulo 13. And when m equals to 4, it will be 10,000. This is congruent to 3 modulo 13. And when m equals to 5, 1 lakh, that equals to, if we divide with 13, it will be 4 modulo 13. Now we have got the answer. So m equals to 5 satisfies the relation substituting m equals to 5 into the equation for k. K was 2 into 10 to the power m minus 8 by 13. So equals to 2 into 10 to the power 5 minus 8 by 13. That is equal to 1999992. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, yes, by 13. That equals to 15384. So what is the number? N equals to 10 times of k plus 6. So that equals to 10 into 15384 plus 6. So the answer is 1,53,846. Yes. 153,846. So I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you for watching.